GEDORE grip wrench for worn bolted connections which otherwise could only be opened with extreme difficulty. It is problem solver for vehicles and industrial purposes. Particularly suitable for brake lines, adjustment of track rods, etc. Especially suitable for brake lines, track rod adjustment, etc. Positive fit joint to the screw nut is down to the special design of the plier jaw. Positive fit joints are not suddenly released. They need, in fact, to change their geometric form. A visible change in form quasi-announces their failure. Milwaukee HoleDozer B Metal Hole Saw. These Milwaukee HoleDozer B Metal Hole Saws feature the industry's only lifetime tooth break warranty and can take on all general-purpose applications, making them the most durable hole saws. Our all-access slots solve the frustration of plug removal, making you more productive with less downtime between holes. The new slot design also gives you increased pilot visibility for accurate placement and faster chip ejection, keeping your cut cool. HoleDozer thermoset coating allows for faster cutting and is optimized for cordless tools, delivering you 25% more holes per charge. GEARWRENCH Bolt Biter Impact Drivers. GEARWRENCH Bolt Biter Impact Drivers offer the convenience of a standard screwdriver with the removal capabilities of a dedicated impact driver, loosening wristed, stripped, or other hard-to-remove screws. Its high-performance steel shaft end cap transfers impact to an internal mechanism that rotates the heat-treated alloy steel shaft 12 degrees when struck. Heavy-duty tips are rust-resistant chrome nickel-plated. POLO KAL NG and POLO KAL3S connecting tool. Establishing the push-fit connection by hand is sometimes difficult with large dimensions or if there is an unfavorable spatial arrangement. The push-fit tool provides assistance when sleeve connections need to be pushed together or pulled apart. The pipe and sleeve are pulled together using a cordless screwdriver or drill. It is compatible with pipes and molded pots from POLO KAL NG and POLO KAL3S. The tool is available on loan from your local PLAST field service. Wolfcraft Impact Big Box. BEAMNOVA Grommet Machine Tool. BEAMNOVA Grommet Machine is a very essential equipment for dressmakers, arts and crafts, sign shops and manufacturers, etc. Applicable for banners, posters, awnings, signs, curtains, digital printing, scrapbooking, cossets, belts, bags, shoes and the like. Ideal for crafts and industrial use. Bagel Smart Tape Measure Functions. With 3 measuring modes and a digital display, the Bagel Smart Tape Measure will make counting tiny ticks and fighting a metal blade a thing of the past. Use the retractable string for when you're measuring more than just straight lines, like a waistline, or flip it on its side and wheel it along any surface with one hand. For really hard-to-reach areas, point the ultrasonic sensor at a wall or ceiling to track the distance up to 16 feet. The Bagel will automatically save up to 100 measurements or can send them directly to your smartphone. A mobile app will organize and analyze your measurements and can help you create virtual blueprints, purchase the right size clothes, and keep track of weight loss. Its lithium polymer battery lasts up to 24 hours and can be recharged with any micro USB cable. Greenlee Step Bits. Greenlee's reinvented step bits take metal and wood cutting to the next level. Get more holes per charge with our split point tip and patented split step design and experience effortless cutting with unmatched durability. Falch offers water jetting technology to clean and renovate pipes, lines, sewers, and pipelines on the inside and outside by using high-pressure water jetting. If sewers, wastewater lines, and pipes are silted, risted, encrusted, or blocked by stubborn deposits and incrustation and normal pipe cleaning systems fail, Falch's pipe cleaning technology with high-pressure technology for pipe renovation and shaft renovation can be used. You can buy or rent them. The sewer cleaning technology from Falch also cracks stubborn deposits and blockages. With ultra-high pressure or high water flow, the mobile high-pressure cleaners clear the pipes by thrusting nozzles and pulling nozzles by washing them from the inside. Woodpecker's newest one-time tool is the Bevel block. The Bevel block lets you set your adjustable bevel square to a physical reference, rather than trying to visually match it to a mark. The Bevel block instantly gives you angles for 1/6, 1/7, and 1/8 of tails, and miter angles of 15 degrees, 22 degrees, 30 degrees, 36 degrees, and 45 degrees. With the geometry of the Bevel block, you always have both the 90-degree complement and the 180-degree supplement to each of those angles by simply changing the surface you are holding the bevel square against. That gives you 24 different physical references. Sheathing Stripper M16. The M16 and MF6 are new stripping tools for round and flat cables. The M16 is particularly compact and easy to handle, which means it is predestined for use in confined spaces. The MF6 has been specially designed for flat cables. Easy handling and a precise cutting depth setting are distinguishing features of this tool and produce optimum results. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.